Hey guys, welcome back to another MTS video. Yes, another. I've got a lot more time now that I left my terrible, miserable job, and I'm doing like rideshare full time, and I love it with this bad boy. But today is about this bad boy, and as you can see, I have left it exactly how I had it from Lexington Cars and Coffee, and today we're going to be putting on that exhaust, which is the Corsa Extreme Plus for the catback for the Camaro. So sorry, it's went from like 25 degrees, which was Cars and Coffee, so I'm a little stiffy, and now it's like 68 Kentucky weather. I don't know. So I got the sniffs and no COVID, so that's good, I guess. Today we're gonna be taking this. Now my dad was gonna come and help me, but now he's got a meeting for his job and stuff, so now it's just me, and obviously I can't fit that exhaust into this car. So what I'm gonna have to do is take the Granny Mobile, which is my Suzuki. I don't know if you've seen it. It's the Suzuki XL7. It's like a 06. It's paid for. It just sits over there. Hoping it'll start because I ain't started in a while. But I'm gonna put that in the back because it's got 3 row seats. I want to put those down, put that in the back, take it down there, and then come back home, grab the Camaro, go down there, and just sit there for an hour or two, however long it takes. Maybe watch it. I know he's going to let me put you guys in there and have like a time lapse of them doing the whole install. That is what's going on right now.
guys, we're back. As you can see, it has been mounted, it has been put on. We now have the Corsa Xtreme Catback Exhaust put on the Camaro. I've been riding around. I do love it. I love it is an understatement. This thing, it really brings it alive, you know what I mean? That LT engine that's got in there, LT1, it sounds like a beast. You take off and it's race car. I mean, now I'm gonna head over to Tanner's. Might throw up the drone, get some drone footage, and yeah, I'm gonna go get some gas. All right, I will see you in a moment, and I'm gonna put you guys on the back. Which one? Like 200, 300, 360. Welcome back. We are back in my garage here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super tired. It is like almost midnight. I got everything in. Ignore the garage, it is very junked up. I need to take a bunch of this junk and move it, but as you can see behind the bicycle, there is the stock exhaust and the big tub exhaust. Go ahead and in the comments, if you've watched this far, what would you like to see me do? I'll do a video whenever I do a mod to it, obviously, but I am out of video ideas. So besides every time I get a mod there'll be a video, obviously, I can do like 0 to 60, stuff like that. Let me know what you guys would like to see about this car, or what other content you would like to see, like a day in the life of driving the Prius, why I got the Prius. The Prius is almost as fun as driving this, so don't diss the Prius. When you put going all EV mode, it's pretty wild. 0 to 80. I'm just saying, anything after 80, oh, you might as well just, never mind. That's all I got, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and please do like and subscribe. Hopefully we get this channel growing, and hopefully have a lot of great things coming from it. Yeah, see you next time. Thanks.